Where does the name for Alltwen come from? So today I'm in Conwy County, just above Gwyn, and I'm on a hill fort called Alltwen. Now, before I begin, this video is sponsored by one of my patrons, Sophia. Thank you very much for helping make this happen. Let's get into the name. Now, the name for Alltwen is made of two parts. First we have Allt, which means a slope, usually covered in trees. And then we have Wen. Now, Wen is the soft mutation of Gwen, which is the feminine form of Gwyn, which means white or bright. Now, on top of Alltwen is a hill fort, Dinas Alltwen. And it's one of my favourite hill forts in the area, actually, because you can see the walls really well. They've survived quite well in the gorse and the heath. And they actually make a really interesting hexagon shape. It goes all the way around the top of the hill. So the name literally means bright slope or white slopes. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Right, I'm going to get off this hillside lest Tyrannon, god of thunder and lightning, strikes me down for my hubris because my phone just flashed up an alert for a thunderstorm warning. But anyway, diolch, big shout out to my Patreons, especially Sophia for sponsoring this particular video. To my other Patreons, your videos are on the way. It's just a matter of getting out and about to do it. If you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and sponsor a video yourself perhaps, you can on a certain tier of my Patreon. You can find the link in the description. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Have a good one.